Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jason.
I'm Julie.
And we are Destination Full-Time. And as you probably know, we are held up in Elkhart, Indiana, getting RV repairs.
Yay! No.
Not so much. So, being that South Bend, Indiana, the home of Notre Dame, is only about a 25-minute drive away, we decided let's go to South Bend and see Notre Dame.
No, we didn't.
No, we didn't. We found something maybe a little more interesting than well, probably not more interesting than Notre Dame, because Notre Dame's got a lot of history. But where we're going has a lot of history as well. Let's go check out where we're at.
We sold our house along with almost everything we owned, and we packed up the RV to live a lifestyle on the road. Now we're free from sticks and bricks and that old life we used to know. Come and join on our adventures, all the places that we'll go. And living in the RV is sublime. Destination Full-Time.
That's right, guys. We're at the National Studebaker Museum. We're going to go check out some old cars. So before they made cars, they made wagons. Never seen this before. But it's a wagon pulled by a goat. Check this out.
That's a junior.
Tell us what this is.
A presidential carriage collection with Abe Lincoln. That's pretty neat. Look at those giant lights. Talk about old-fashioned headlights.
This I didn't know, but Studebaker made an electric car.
What?
Yeah. So, Elon, what are you doing? You're not the first. Hold on, let's check it out.
Well, he just approved upon it. He improved upon it. I bet your Elon's battery doesn't weigh 970 pounds.
Weighs more than that, actually.
Oh, well, there you go. Look, price when new, $1,850.
Elon's don't cost that much. They're way more.
Yeah.
Interesting. Interesting.
Oh, look at these old-fashioned lights. These are headlights. That's an electric runabout.
ride to the upper level of this museum.
Why don't we just
Behind me is the last Studebaker ever made in 1966. This is the last one. Alright guys, we're in the bowels of the building with all the old Studebakers and some other miscellaneous stuff and some of the things that they made for the military. But all in all, this is a great attraction for anybody that loves old cars. I learned a lot about the history of the Studebakers, and I didn't realize that they were operating up until 66, so I thought they had actually went out of business way before then. But anyway, we hope you enjoyed the video. We're still stuck in Indiana. We're going to find something else to do in a later video. But
this has been pretty cool.
This is a cool thing to do if you're in Elkhart. Head over. It's a short drive. Check it out. It was definitely worth the visit, and especially all the guys would love it. But even Julie liked it.
I did like it.
There's a lot of history here. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, we hope that you find your next
destination.
Because we didn't know we were going to find this one. See ya.
Living in the RV is sublime. Destination full time.